Peace, peace. Out in nature, getting a little breeze, a little other raw, loving energy with Mother Universe. Listening to the birds communicate. And it's still strong. You know, it's still trying to maneuver its way into the spring, weather. Still got that little chill, that little frost. Mm-hmm. I see a nest above my head. You know, when birds make their nest, they use it, just debris, elements from the earth to make their nest. hmm I watched one time. And it just kept flying down and picking up stuff from the grass. It was very interesting. Hmm. Queen of Cups. The beautiful Queen of Cups. Loving, nurturing, emotionally available, and emotionally stable, intuitive, balanced, and then with the Ten of Pentacles, she had to balance, do the balancing act with her life, with her stability. Okay, going into an infinite cycle. Okay, closing out cycles, going into new ones, taking whatever was thrown at her and alchemizing it and balancing it to create her stability. Okay. The moon, not knowing what was hidden. What was hidden and promised that King of Cups stayed the course, her divine course, is her divine abundance with the Ace of Pentacles. the biggest pentacle in the deck of Tarot. This was being protected always, all the time. You see, people thought that what they unrighteously took from you was all there was. Okay. They thought that was meaningful to you. They thought that was your abundance. Mm-mm. Your true divine abundance was being protected. They didn't know that you were the empress. Okay. Loving, nurturing, abundant within self first. Okay. Sharing that with those around you, your loved ones. Okay. The Empress is the number 3, right? The number of creation, the magical number. That's where the magic happens. Okay. Yes. The Empress embodies all of the queens of the Tarot deck. All right. This is the mother here in the triple goddess, the triple god, the feminine cycle of life. This is the mother. Yes. She knows who she is, and she walks confidently, humbly, proudly, abundantly, and sits on her rightful throne of honor. But whoever cross her path, they will experience abundance in love and nurture as well. That's how abundant she is. The Nine of Pentacles. Yes. This is stability. Okay. This was the stability that Ace of Pentacles brought in. Okay. All right. With the Queen of Wands. Okay. She embodied that energy. Oh, yes. Beautiful inside and out. Okay. Using her divine wisdom, her passion. Okay. Yes. This was her in her maiden years. Okay. Now she mentors maidens to be just as abundant and to know who they are, co-created with spirit. Okay. That cat is her spirit guide. Spirit protecting her. Yes. Using her creative energy to create her heart desires. The King of Pentacles. More stability. Okay. temperance, balance, earth angel. And look at what we have here. We saw the Queen of Cups, and now here is her divine counterpart, the King of Cups. Okay? They balance each other out, most definitely. And then that came out with the Two of Cups. So this is a divine union coming together to give to one another. The King and the Queen of Cups is a very loving, nurturing, it's just a blissful energy of love and fulfillment, happiness, stability. They love on each other passionately, honorably. Okay. Yes. At the bottom of the deck here, we got the Four of Wands. Okay. This is what they're creating together: legacy, stability, mhm, happiness. Yeah. With great passion and honor. 1111. Protection. This is divinely protected. This union. Sacred. Okay. That sacred pleasure. Yes. The sacred passion. Indeed it is. Just saw two birds fly by together. Formation of the union. At the bottom of that deck, we got the Lovers. Yes, this is divinely orchestrated. Yes, it is. Balance, stability, protection. As above, so below. You know, we just went through a Ramadan. hmm Queen of Pentacles at the bottom. Earthly stability. Okay. My uh, practice with Ramadan consists of connecting to spirit, connecting to Mother Universe, the elements of the earth. Okay. Yes. And balancing things out. Yes. recharging, co-creating with spirit, and removing those things that are no longer serving, removing those things that are a hindrance to the next your next spiral that you need to be on for the new to come in. Okay. That's how I honor Ramadan. It's about connecting to spirit and earth, okay, the elements thereof. So these are the three cards that came out. We have the Emperor. The Emperor. Mm-hmm. Those you see. They've been through, they embody all, the Emperor embodies all of the kings. The Empress embodied all of the queens. We saw the King of Cups. We saw the Queen of Cups. Okay. We saw the Empress. Now here is them in their highest form as Empress and Emperor. Okay. Very grounded and stable. All right. The Emperor is the number 4. So this masculine energy brings the stability. Okay. They know their place. They know their part. Okay. They know how to come together to, bring the balance, bring what they're one in, okay, 180, and then the Empress bring her 180 to complete that 360 sphere. Okay. Yeah. So with the number 3, she bringing that creation, that nurture, that love. Okay. Supporting her Emperor because he's bringing the foundation, the protection. Yes. And they coming together with that Holy Trinity, okay, to procreate and bring in starseed babies, okay. But not only creating starseed babies, they're creating businesses, they're creating prosperity, okay. He's in that King of Wands energy. Okay. Did we not see the Queen of Wands also? So they're very passionate with one another. Okay. This Emperor brings it. He brings that fire to his Empress. He brings that wand ready, okay, with sacred passion, ready to create. Most definitely. And here we have the Six of Wands. Okay. They are honored by anyone that they cross path with. Okay. This is victory. Their union is a victory. This is a part of that divine abundance, that Ace of Pentacles. Okay. Yes. The 6, bringing in the balance. Okay. Yes, bringing in a stability. bottom of the deck, we get that beautiful Ace of Cups, that divine love. Yes, that's what they're about. And if you needed a reminder, we got the King of Cups behind that. Did you need that reminder, huh? Let me remind you, okay? That's what the cards say. That's the Emperor. Let me remind you. Mhm. Just let me remind you in case you forgot. Okay, saw the Ace of Cups again, the King of Wands. So these cards is just repeat themselves, right? Nine of Pentacles at the bottom. I mean, Nine of Cups, wish fulfillment. Okay, yeah, this is part of your wish fulfillment. So that being said, let's see if the Oracle cards have any messages. Let's see. At the bottom of the deck, we got level up. Okay, yes, this is most definitely a great level up. Okay. hmm Split the deck with the goddess of liberation. So this is freedom. Freedom. hmm This divine union is freedom. Uh-oh. What blew here was Queen of Sheba, the goddess of secrets revealed. Okay. Yeah. Number 36, equaling to a 9. It's the end of that. Yeah. Secrets been revealed. Yeah. 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 We know. We know. We know. We know. Okay. I see the goddess of pleasure. Okay. I see my aunt giving and receiving, balancing things out. I see divine lineage. Okay. Just at number 6. All that. Nana Buluku, goddess of seasons. Beginnings. Fearless love. Shun. Feeling safe. Yes. Your emperor makes you feel safe. Number 4. Okay. You feel like home. You are home. Yes. He is your stability in all forms. Okay. Loving stability. And then again, your freedom. Okay. Yes. Y'all are free together. Y'all feel safe together. Mhm. Yes. Beautiful. You see how peaceful and calm it is out here? That's y'all love. Mhm. That's that King and Queen of Cups love right there. who both are the Empress and the Empress. My app just keep on coming. Yeah, this is balance and order. This is divine order right there. That divine love is justice. It is order. See a butterfly flying. Mm-hmm. Yes. You both had to go through a radical rebirth. Yeah. Share. Share. And I share.